To use a custom indicator within your project, you first need to upload it. Here's how. Click on Custom Indicators in the project menu. From there, you can upload the indicator from your device or import it from an existing AlgoBuilderX project that already includes it. Make sure the indicator you're uploading meets the following requirements. It must be installed in cTrader. It must include the source code. It must have at least one output or result. What do we mean by output or result? An output is any parameter provided by the indicator, such as a value or signal. If you're unsure, simply install the indicator on cTrader. If the indicator produces values, these are the outputs you can interact with in AlgoBuilderX to create your conditions. Indicators must be compiled with .NET Framework 6.0. How can you check the framework of an indicator? Install it in cTrader and review the details. If the framework is 6.0, you're good to go. If the framework is lower, such as 4.0, here's how to update it. Change the framework to 6.0. Recompile the indicator. Export it with the source code, so right-click on the indicator, select Export, and then choose Export with source code. Now, let's try uploading a custom indicator together. Let's open the Custom Indicator tab. Choose the option to upload an indicator. Select the indicator file from your device and upload it. Once uploaded, AlgoBuilderX will automatically display all the indicator's parameters and outputs. This makes it easy to see the values and results that you can use to build your conditions. After uploading the indicator, you'll find it under Indicators, Custom Indicators. You can use it in any block that supports indicator-based configurations. This allows you to seamlessly integrate your custom indicator's values to create conditions and strategies. Now, let's talk about exporting your project. If you use the View Real-Time Source Code feature, remember that when you copy and paste the source code into a new cBot in cTrader, you'll need to manually add the indicator as a reference. To do this, click on Manage References and select the indicator used in the bot. If you use the Generate Bot option and install the generated algo file, no extra steps are needed. The indicator is already included in the references. And that's it. Now you know how to upload, configure, and use custom indicators in AlgoBuilderX. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need support. Happy automated trading!